Hi everybody, welcome back to Work Right Planner. My name is Erica. I'm really glad that you're here. Thank you for joining me. Today's video is going to be my August monthly plan with me on the calendar view. Funny story, the SD card filled up in the middle of my video and I had to change it. And when I went to edit the video, I lost the footage from the first half of the video. So I don't know if it's a good thing that it kind of died in the middle of the video or not, because we still have the end of the video, we just don't have the very beginning. So, stick with me, and here's the rest of the video. I am so sorry about that. I don't know where that cut off at, but the memory card filled up. I had to change it. Okay. We're adding in recycle stickers. I'm just gonna put you down here because I don't like you covering my stuff up. Just don't want to cover Leo. This one's going to make me nuts. It looks too busy. Anyway, we'll see how I like that for the month. I don't know, y'all. I just don't know. Okay. I have one other date that I definitely need to put in here, and that is going to be a trip to the dentist. And this one is going to go here, and it is at $220. The color tells me that it's me. Other than that, I don't think I have a whole lot that I need to put on here. I think that's about it. I do need to schedule a doctor's appointment, but, that'll be done on a day when the doctor's office is open. They're not open today. So, okay, there we have it. I need to add that doctor's appointment to my to-do list for next week. And welcome to August, everybody. Okay, I will talk to you later. Bye.